Hello everyone, myself Rajveer and I would like to welcome you all on behalf of Shivjyoti Educational Group. Students, today we will take a topic from English grammar, okay. Class 4, chapter number 2, topic is singular and plural nouns and you have to open page number 4. Everyone please open page number 4 in your book. Let's read what are singular and plural nouns. But before starting singular and plural nouns, I would like to tell you what are nouns. So, let me first of all tell you what are nouns. As you all must have learned in your earlier classes, nouns are the name of a person, place, thing or an animal. These all words are called as nouns, right? Now, this can be singular and these can be plurals, right? If I am talking about a girl, this girl is singular noun. They are categorized into two parts, singular and plural. This is a singular noun. If I am writing girls, I have added s to it and it will become, what it will become? It will become plural noun, right? So, there is a difference between singular and plural noun. This is the difference. Whenever we are talking about a single thing, this is singular noun. Whenever we are talking about more than one thing or more than one person, that is plural noun. Suppose I am talking about apple. So, this is singular noun, right? If I am talking about apples, it is plural noun because I have added s to it and it will become plural noun. So, similarly, let's see what's there in your book. In your book, we can see nouns can be singular or plural depending on the number of things they name. Number of things in the sense, if it is single, it is singular. If it is more than one, it will be plural. Singular nouns names one person, animal, place or thing, like, and plural nouns name more than one person, animal, place or thing. For example, let's see box, boxes, train, trains, flower, flowers, rose, roses, boy, boys, room, rooms. The very simple way to convert singular noun into plural noun is simply we have to add s to it. But it does not go with every word. There are several rules which we need to follow to convert words into plural nouns. So, we follow some rules to change nouns from singular to plural. Let's see what are these rules. The very first rule, to change some nouns from singular to plural, we only add s at the end of it. We simply add s at the end of it. As I have shown you in the blackboard, you can see girl, girls, apple, apples. You can say boy. If I am talking about a single boy, I will be writing here boys. It will be plural noun. If I am talking about a key, it is a singular key, singular noun. Now, if I am talking about more than one key, it will become keys. So, like this, we can simply add s to the word and it will be converted into plural noun. So, this is very simple. Let's see further. If the noun ends in a hissing sound, s, double s, sh, ch, x, add es at the end of it. Suppose if my word ends with any of these, then you have to add es to them if you want to convert them into plural noun. For example, in your classroom there are many benches, right? If I am talking about a single bench, the spelling will be B-E-N-C-H. You can see I have written B-E-N-C-H. This is singular noun, right? If I will just convert it into plural noun, what I have to do? I have to add B-E-N-C-H-E-S. Benches, I have added E-S, right? Why I have added E-S? Because there is a hissing sound of C-H. This is the reason I have added ES to it. Let's see. Peach, you can see at the end there is CH. So, I have added ES to it and it will become peaches. Dress, double S, we can add ES and it will become dresses. Bus, you can see ES is there again, so we can call it buses, right. So like this you can do, all this. Okay. Suppose for example, I am taking a word class, CLASS, class. You can see a hissing sound S is there, right. If I have to convert it into plural, this is singular, and if I have to convert it into plural, what I have to do? I have to add ES to it and then it will become classes. The correct plural word will be classes, right. Similarly goes with glass, you can use the word glass and you can add ES to it and it will become glasses. This is the plural form of the glass, right. Gas, you can see at the end there is S. If I will add ES to it, it will become gases, right. So by adding S to it, it will become, by adding ES to it, it will become a proper plural form of it. You can see a proper plural form can be created like this. Okay, now let's see what's there. If the noun ends in Y and the letter before Y is a consonant, change the Y to I and add ES. This is very simple. Suppose if your word ends with Y, and what you have to do, just before Y, if there is a consonant. So what are consonants, beta? There are 26 alphabets. As we all know, there are 26 alphabets. Out of 26 alphabets, 21 are consonants and 5 are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest of the alphabets are consonants. If before Y there is a consonant, what you have to do? You have to remove Y and at the place of Y we will be adding I and then we will be adding ES to it. Okay, for example, you can see baby, babies, lily, lilies, IES. At the place of Y I have written I, then I have added ES to it, right. For example, let's see. For example, my word is country. My word is country. At the end you can see Y is there. Now what I will do, before Y I have to check out whether there is a vowel or whether there is a consonant. If a consonant is there, what I will do, I will just remove Y and I will add I, then I will add ES to it. Now my word will be countries. The plural, the proper plural word will be countries. Like this you can convert the word into plural form. Okay. Now next is, if the noun ends with Y and the letter before Y is a vowel, just add an S. It is very simple that if before a Y there is vowel, what you have to do, you will simply add S to it, like K-E-Y, key. Before Y you can see E is there, E is a vowel, therefore we have added S to it. And B-O-Y, boy, you can see just before a boy you can see vowel is there, O, so we will simply add S to it. Okay. Now there are few exceptions, as I have told you in an earlier slide, that if the word ends with CH, we simply add ES to it to convert it into plural form. But there is an exception. Let's see what is that. If the CH at the end of the noun is pronounced with a K sound and an S is in the end, to change the form from singular to plural, what you have to do, my word is stomach. You can see at the last there is CH, but the hissing sound is not there. Instead of hissing sound, there is a sound of K. So if the sound of K is there, we can simply add S to it and convert it into plural form, right. So this is an exception. Let's see exercise number A. In exercise number A, what you have to do, you have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of nouns given in the bracket. You are available with the options in the bracket. Mr. Sooth has 2 dash in his pockets. Now 2, you can see 2 is actually denoting plural itself. So if it is denoting plural itself, so the word watches will be the correct option to be filled, right? Anita has a red dash. Has a red in the sense if we are talking about a single dress. So if we are talking about a single dress, the correct word will be dress and the sentence will be Anita has a red dress. The gardener cut off all the dead dash branch or branches. All the. This is showing that it is not singular, it is plural. So therefore we will be adding branches to the sentence and the proper sentence will be the gardener cut off all the dead branches. Like this you have to do rest of your sentences of your own. Now let's see another rule to convert a singular noun into plural noun. Now for the most nouns that ends in F or FE, change the F or FE to V and add ES. This is very simple. Suppose few words ends with F or FE, what we have to do? We have to replace F or FE with V and we will add ES to it. Okay? For example, I will show you leaves, L-E-A-F, leaf. Leaf means a single, एक single patta, right? If I am talking about a leaf, it means we are talking about a single patta. What I have to do? I have to convert it into plural. So I will replace F with V and I will add ES to it. So the correct plural form will be leaves. It means more than one. More than one. Right? So this is the correct plural form whenever we are having at the end F or FE. Suppose my next word is knife. Knife means which is used to cut vegetables, fruits, चक्कू जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं. If at the end FE is there, what I'll do? I'll just remove FE and at the place of FE I'll write V and I will add ES. So the correct word will be KNIVES. So like this you can convert these words into plural form. Okay. Loaf, loaves, wife, wives, life, lives, knife, knives. I had explained you this example. Now, however, there are some nouns that don't follow this rule. Again, an exception is there that don't follow these rules. For example, chief, you can see at the end F is there, but we cannot add ES to it, VES to it. We will simply add S. Safe, saves, belief, believes, cliff, cliffs, these all are the exceptions, right? Now the next rule, the plural of some nouns are formed by changing one or more vowels in them. Now this is something different. Now this is something different as I'll show you, just wait. Okay class. Now suppose my singular word is man. I am talking about a single man, right? Therefore I have written man, M-A-N, man. If I am talking about more than one, my word will be men, right? Okay. If I am talking about woman, if I am talking about a single lady, I will write woman, right? If I am talking about more than one, then I'll write woman. So like this I have replaced few words with E, right? You can see here in the book what is written: foot, feet, man, men, goose, geese. Foot मतलब एक पैर. जब हम एक पैर की बात करते हैं, my right foot is paining. Suppose there is a pain in my right foot, so I will be saying my right foot is paining. If both of them are paining, I will be saying my feet are paining, right? So like this we can changing one or more vowels in them. Another rule is there are some nouns that don't follow any rules while changing into plural. They don't follow any rule, like child will be children, ox will be oxen. Child मतलब whenever I am talking about a single child, suppose मैं एक बच्चे के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, one single boy, that will be child, right? If I am talking about whole class, पूरी क्लास के बारे में अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ तो मैं लिखूंगी चिल्ड्रन। क्लास में आप लोग सब बातें करते हैं तो मैम आपको बोलती है ना चिल्ड्रन कीप क्वाइट, या आप लाइब्रेरी जाते हैं तो आपको लाइन फॉर्म कराने के लिए मैम बोलती है ना चिल्ड्रन फॉर्म अ लाइन, या आप स्पोर्ट्स के लिए जाते हैं तब भी आपको कहा जाता है बी इन डिसिप्लिन चिल्ड्रन। सो लाइक दिस चिल्ड्रन इज फॉर लाइक होल ग्रुप, फॉर एवरीवन, ओके। नाउ some singular nouns do not change in their plural forms, मतलब जो words जैसे हैं वो वैसे ही रहते हैं, उनके अंदर ना हम कोई addition करते हैं ना हम उन्हें change करते हैं, right? Like series will be series. Now some singular nouns do not change in their plural form, मतलब कि कुछ words ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हमें अगर plural form में change करना है तो हमें उसमें कुछ भी addition या changes नहीं करने होते हैं. For example, series will be series only, deer will be deer only, sheep will be sheep only, and for example, I can say fish will be fish only, right? Fish will be fish only. We cannot say fishes. Right students? So like this, these are the words which we cannot change. Now next rule is there are some nouns that are always plural, जो हमेशा plural ही होते हैं, मतलब कि जो कभी भी जिनमें always s लगा होता है. Suppose scissors is there, you can see scissors मतलब कैंची, trousers, clothes मतलब हमारे कपड़े. सपोज हमने एक गाउन पहना है तो वो सिंगल कपड़ा है जो हमने पहना है, सो दैट इज माई क्लोथ्स, दोज आर माई क्लोथ्स. सो आई विल बी यूजिंग द वर्ड क्लोथ्स, मैं उसको क्लोथ नहीं बोल सकती, राइट? आई विल बी कॉलिंग इट क्लोथ्स ओनली, ओके? सो लाइक दिस दे आर ऑलवेज प्लूरल, ओके? नाउ exercise B, fill in the blanks with the correct form of nouns given in the bracket. What you have to do, you have to choose the correct option. There are 40 dash in my class. Now suppose मेरी क्लास में 40 बच्चे हैं, 40 students are there. So what I will be calling them? Children. There are 40 children in my class, right? While the shepherd was sleeping, his flock of dash ran away. मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि कुछ words ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें हम कुछ भी add नहीं करते, जैसे कि sheep. You can see sheep is there. I have added something? No, I have not added something. It will remain same. So similarly here, flock of sheep ran away. This will be the correct option. Now Mowgli grew up with a pack of dash. Pack of matlab group of. So again there is a group. If I am talking about a group, the correct option will be wolves. The correct option will be wolves. So Mowgli grew up with the pack of wolves. Rest of the sentences you can do of your own. You can just recheck them, verify them with the help of the PDF file which we have already sent you. Okay? Now let's see exercise number C. Rewrite the sentences by changing the nouns from plural to singular form. Make other necessary changes also. For example, let's see the shelves have many books on them. You can see it is in plural form. What we have to do? We have to convert it into singular form. तो shelves का हो गया shelf, books का हो गया book, have many की जगह पे आ गया has a, right? So like this we have converted into singular form. The woman told the children about their childhood experiences. Now the correct sentence will be the woman, M-A-N हो जाएगा, told the child about her childhood experience, full stop. Experiences की जगह पर हो जाएगा experience, okay? The peons served coffee at the meetings. The peon served coffee at the meeting. Peon हो जाएगा peons की जगह पर और meeting हो जाएगा meetings की जगह पर. Like this you can do rest of the sentences of your own. Okay. I hope you have understood the topic well. If you have any problem, any doubt, you can check out, you can verify it with the PDF we have already sent you. Have a nice day. Be safe. Thank you.